Travel with ease, Graco Pack and Play on the Go Playard. Hi there. Welcome back to our channel My Mum's Choice. Graco Pack and Play on the Go Playard offers comfort and convenience for your little one. Features a removable full-size bassinet for napping, at home or on the go. Automatic folding feet and wheels make it compact and perfect for travel. Durable frame ensures long-lasting use, ideal for frequent trips. Signature Graco push-button fold allows for quick and hassle-free setup and breakdown. Toy bar with soft toys keeps your baby entertained and engaged. Easy to clean with household soap and warm water, machine washable carry bag. Suitable for children who can't climb out and are under 35 tall. Bassinet is for babies under 15 pounds and unable to push up on hands and knees. Important safety note: discontinue use of bassinet once the baby starts pushing up or weighs over 15 pounds. Folds to a height of 29 inches and a width of 10.5 inches for convenient storage and transport. Please share your feedback with us. It's helpful for other new parents also. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, My Mum's Choice, for more baby product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Love you all.